Oh, Palesbird! How dare you ground and kill me? That's it! You're grounded for 6, 7 years! And your punishment is squirting mustard at you! I brought the Heinz yellow mustard pourer!